Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by working on clean, hydrated curls because moisture equals hold and definition. Detangle gently from ends to roots, then divide hair into 4 to 6 sections so you can focus on small subsections. Apply a light leave-in or curl cream to each section. This gives slip for shaping and long-lasting definition. Once done, choose the tension and tool size for the freeform. Less tension keeps natural volume, more tension elongates. You now create the freeforms by focusing on 1 to 2 inch subsections so each curl gets consistent attention. Twist or coil each subsection around your finger toward the scalp, pinning the base to encourage a rooted curl without tension. Leaving ends free preserves texture. Apply minimal product on each coil to avoid buildup. Think light cream rather than heavy gel. Once many sections are set, let hair air dry or use a low-heat diffuser to gently set shape without disrupting the natural pattern. You finish by removing pins only after the hair is completely dry so the pattern holds. Then gently separate at the roots to create volume without breaking defined coils. Smooth a dab of lightweight oil on ends to add shine while avoiding the scalp. If some sections frizz or lose shape, retwist those dampened areas and let them dry, or apply a small amount of gel to reshape. This quick fix restores definition without redoing the whole style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.